Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to try recording these steps, and you guys can tell me whether or not you thought this was useful in the future when you need instructions. So Professor Wada wanted me to make a guide as to how to set up a Scratch account and submit your Scratch project. So first you need to go to scratch.mit.edu, and here's the main Scratch page that you were shown in class. Then click Join Scratch, make your username and password. I already have one, so I'm gonna skip this step, but you should be able to figure that out. Next, if you weren't signed in because you just made an account, you'd need to sign in. So I'll do that right now. Alright, signed in. Once you've signed in, you're gonna want to go to Professor Wada's page, so you know where it is. And that is, you might be able to search him, but if you want for sure, is the original URL plus users /prof underscore Paul underscore UMD, and that'll take you to Professor Wada's page. I have followed him for making it easier to find him, because in your contact page you can see the people you're following, and then it's kind of like favoriting it, or you could store this URL in your favorites. After that, you're at this page. I would then go to the Create tab. Make your little whatever you're making. Do remember that you include one of these. You include whatever one you want to get the program started. Otherwise, when you make it, it'll just sit there and you won't know why, because that's what happened to me the first time. And so I'll just make something simple real quick. Where's the say? Here we go. So I'll just use the say, and and so I have it set to be when the space key is pressed. So when I hit the space key, the cat says hello. And so then when you are done, up here in the right corner is the Save Now. Click Save. It will save your project. Then click the Share, which will then bring you here to this URL. This is what you need to share with Professor Wada so he can see it. And to do that, copy that URL, go back to Professor Wada's page, which if you did the first part of following him, you should be able to click on your profile, scroll down, see your following Professor Wada, click on that, and then go to the studios right here, then select the appropriate quiz problem number 1, or quiz number 1 problem number 1, and then for part B, I'm assuming it's quiz number 1 problem number 2. Then go here and click Add Project, add the URL, then I already added one, so I don't want to add a second one. Then you click Add URL, you're done. Or you can click one of the ones you have down here and add that. That's about it. Oh, I did realize I did miss a portion of this. If you want to give it a different name than the starting name, which you probably should, so Professor Wada knows who made this, you can name this as in quiz, for example, quiz 1, question 1, Ken, or whatever your name is. Don't put my name. That's not going to work out very well. And then you should be able to go back to your profile, and it is now renamed. And so Professor Wada knows whose it is. Okay, that about sums it up, I think. So I guess good luck. Have fun.